How to unfriend someone on Heyday. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove friends in Heyday with just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Heyday app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the game, simply tap on the yellow button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you've done that, this will open up a new menu where you can manage your friends. Now next, on the left side of the screen, right next to Greg, you will see a book with a chicken icon on it. Simply tap on that and it will bring up your friend settings. And once the pop-up menu appears, simply tap on the in-game friends option in the top. And once you are inside the in-game friends section, simply find the friend that you want to remove. And once you found it, simply tap on remove button and double tap on it to confirm. And once you have done that, you will be able to remove your friend on Heyday. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.